Welcome to our channel. Today, we're reviewing the 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, a versatile 3-in-1 cooling unit designed for rooms up to 450 square feet. We found this product online, and you can check the description below for the link to the latest price and availability. This portable air conditioner is not just about cooling, it also functions as a powerful dehumidifier and fan. With its impressive 10,000 BTU OSHRI cooling capacity, it can effectively chill spaces like your living room, office, kitchen, or even your dorm room. You have the option to set the temperature anywhere from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that you can find that perfect comfort level. Plus, with an airflow of up to 300 cubic meters per hour, you'll feel the refreshing cool air circulate quickly throughout the room. One of the standout features of this unit is its 3-in-1 functionality. It allows you to switch between cooling, fan, and dehumidifying modes with ease. The dehumidifier is particularly powerful, removing up to 150 pints of moisture daily, which is essential for maintaining fresh indoor air. The fan mode offers different airflow settings, while the sleep mode ensures that the unit operates quietly, making it ideal for restful nights. Noise can often be a concern with air conditioners, but this model runs at just 50 decibels, making it suitable for use in bedrooms or home offices without disturbing your peace. It also features a convenient 1 to 24-hour timer, allowing for automatic temperature adjustments based on your schedule. This smart energy-saving technology pauses operation when your set temperature is reached, helping you save on energy while keeping you comfortable. Managing your comfort is simple with the clear LED display and included remote control, which allows you to make adjustments without having to get up. Additionally, the unit has a thoughtful full water alert, notifying you before the tank overflows, so you can enjoy uninterrupted cooling. Moving and installing this portable air conditioner is a breeze. It measures just 13.7 inches in length, 12.8 inches in width, and stands at 34.84 inches tall, weighing only 48.5 pounds. The smooth 360-degree casters and hidden handles make it easy to roll from room to room, whether you need it in the living